So hello and welcome everyone, this is Sarim Khan and today I am returned with my new question on kinematics for JEE Mains, and this question was asked in JEE Main 2019 9 April in second shift. So today we are going to solve this question that is really a very interesting question. So this question is asking to us that the position of a particle as a function of time t is given by xt is equals to at plus bt square minus ct cube, where a, b, c are constants. Okay, then when the particle attains zero acceleration, then its velocity will be first option a plus b square by 2c, then a plus b square by 4c, then is a plus b square by 3c, and our final option is a plus b square by c. This question we have to solve. So first of all, it has been given that the position particle of any particle as a function of time is given as at plus bt square minus ct cube. This is the position of a particle as a function of time. Then it is given that at which time the acceleration of the particle becomes zero, then what is the actual velocity at that time of the particle. This we have to calculate. So acceleration of the particle is zero. So acceleration, since we know acceleration can be write as dv by dt. Can we write? Of course. Now, since we know v can be write as dx by dt, of course we can write. So acceleration we can also write such d2x by dt square if we want. So from here, first of all, what we'll be doing? We'll be double differentiating to the x with respect to t. Then we'll get the acceleration which is already 0, and then from there we can find first of all value of t, and then we'll continue. Okay. So first of all, let us try to find out the velocity. Means this function, this we have to differentiate. This will differentiate. So first of all, at differentiation a plus bt square differentiation 2bt. Okay. Now minus ct cube differentiation 3ct square. This is, so velocity of the particle is a plus 2bt minus 3ct square. This is the velocity. If we differentiate it, then we'll get acceleration. Implies that the acceleration, now differentiate this. Okay, we'll have to differentiate this. Then a differentiation, a is a constant 0. So 2bt differentiation 2b minus 3ct square differentiation 6ct. This is, now it has been given that the acceleration of the particle is 0. At that point, just find out first of all the velocity. So first of all, we'll be finding out the time when the acceleration will be 0. So acceleration is 0. Okay, then can we write to it as equals to 0. From here, can we find out the value of t? Implies that the t equals to what? T equals to, first of all, what we'll be only doing here, t value we can easily get 2b by 6c. 2b by 6c. Okay, this is then which is equals to b by 3c. At this point, means at this point when the time is b by 3c, then the acceleration of the particle becomes 0. And at this time, we have to find out the velocity of the particle. Since now the question becomes really very easy, everybody know that what was the actual velocity of the particle. Okay, velocity of the particle as a function of time is this, a plus 2bt minus 3ct square. This is, but what if I do such that which time value I have already got, b by 3c, I substitute this value in this given expression, then which is equals to what? A is as it is. So a plus 2b into time, that is b by 3c. This is now minus 3c t square. So means b square by 3c square. B square by 3c square. Okay, this is, of course, so here we can easily cancel out this. So which is equals to what? A plus 2b square by 3c minus b square by 3c. This we can get, of course, this is actual velocity of the particle. If we want more, we can solve it. Which is equals to what? A plus 3c and 3c, okay, they are same numbers. So upon 3c, okay, we'll take common. Now 2b square minus b square, that is b square. So a plus b square. This is the velocity of the particle. Since we know that at this time, at b by 3c time, where b and c are constant, okay, at this point acceleration becomes 0. Of course, using differentiation method, we have found that at this point acceleration is 0. Then only we have put the values of this time, since we already know the velocity of the particle as a function of time. Then by putting the values, what we are getting, that the velocity of the particle when the acceleration is 0 is a plus b square by 3c. Since we know that option number first is a plus b square by 2c not matching to our solution, that is wrong. B is a plus b square by 4c. This is also wrong. But C is a plus b square by 3c. Since we know that this option is just matching to our solution. Okay, we have also found a plus b square by 3c, while here also it is written a plus b square by 3c. So this is the correct. While fourth is a plus b square by c, that is totally wrong. Hence option number C is the correct answer in this problem, that is of JEE Main 2019 9 April shift second. So this was my today's topic based over a JEE Mains question on kinematics, that is again for JEE Mains. So thank you everyone.